Okay, so this is kind of an add-on video to my last one I made. Just kind of going a little bit more in depth on how I did the cat delete, I guess you could call it. I forgot to put the heat shield on because I put all the cowl pieces back on and I couldn't get it in there, and it was late. I didn't feel like taking all this off again and putting it back on. And yes, I don't have a wiper because that is a pain in the butt to try to line back up. But taking it out was a very big pain. I beat that with a hammer. I taped off the edge of my windshield, and that still wasn't working. I want to say it was on this side somewhere that was snagging on this side of the block right here. You can see it was kind of like, it was catching on this part right here, and I think like right here. So I undid this mount pretty much damn near to where the nuts were coming off so I can move it forward and backwards, and then undid the rear motor mount, and it gave it more leeway. And then I was able to pull it out, especially with doing that, the beating it, that helped. And then once I did that, I was able to pull it out, came out really easily. Now, for this part, once I had it out, I cut it right there where all that rust, I guess you can call it, is at. Cut it, the packing's in that little section right there. Took it out, lined it back up, welded it back up, and once I had it welded back up, put it back in and didn't have any problems. I haven't had any problems. I've driven it to work. No performance issues, like that sensor that's down there past where the fibers were at, it doesn't run any different. The car doesn't. I haven't gotten it on the highway yet really, but there's no any like performance gains or anything like that. Honestly, it's just louder. Other than that, I mean, the whole process of getting it out was really difficult, like I said, but it literally took 5 seconds to put it right back in. So that's a plus. But before I put it back in, you see that mounting plate where this, hang on, let me show you. Where that mounting plate that's down there. Look, right there. See where that bolt is at? Oh shit, right there. I trimmed that up because that kept getting snagged on the side of the block as well when I was trying to take it out. I did that on both sides, cut a big piece of it out on the side, and it went in a lot smoother. I probably could have put it in without doing that, but like I said, it was getting snagged on the side of the block, so I trimmed it up. It still works. I still mounted it down there and didn't have any issues. Let me see if I can show y'all without getting wet, because it did rain. Underneath. I don't have it jacked up right now, I just have it on blocks. Kind of give it a little bit more space, I guess. But I just have a cherry bomb where the big resonator used to be, and then it dumps right there. So all in all, the whole process wasn't that bad. It was just trying to get it out the engine. Like I said, I had to undo the engine mounts. I had to take this metal strut brace out, so I had to take the top hat bolts off, but it was on jack stands and they were so like stretched out, like it didn't matter, so it didn't affect the car or anything like that. So I just undid the bolts and excuse me, took all these pieces off, and it came out a lot easier. Been wanting to do this for a while now, instead of having to pay like, you know, $300 or $400 for the catless header and then possibly having to get a tune. So we'll see how this goes. Engine's a little dirty, I need to clean it, but the weather's been iffy, but sounds really nice. I've already had to start it because I had to put it up on the blocks, but I'll go ahead and start it in this video and let y'all hear it. Yes, the inside of my car is very dirty. I need to vacuum it. No, I don't need an oil change. I'm just too lazy to change it. The thing inside. Rev it really loud because I am in a neighborhood, so, but I will put the heat shield on at another time, but yeah, I need to do that too. I took the adjustable camber arms off in the rear because I was tired of the, the camber wearing out my tires. Just tired of it wearing out my tires. And that's definitely rubbing on my bumper. But yeah, I'm gonna grind all this and make it look pretty again. Yeah, this is pretty bad. What happens if you don't have a fender roller? But I really had to get in there and just get rid of this little indent that's right here on the inside because that was really bad. And I have a 1/8 spacer on, so yeah, you can probably hear the exhaust from here. Let's go ahead and kind of give it a little rev, I guess. Well, y'all can hear that, but it's as loud as I'm gonna go. So just like, comment, subscribe, do whatever, share it with your friends. Follow me on Instagram at chill_Miller. Miller has 3 L's. And I would recommend doing this versus spending $400, but if you want to, I guess, I don't know, get a new one, I guess you could, but this was a lot cheaper. So kind of has like a little fart sound to it whenever you turn it off. But yeah, I have a few more things planned for this car, slowly but surely. But I think the next thing I'm gonna do is tackle the body work on the side and the back, and then move on to making my own crash bar for the front, and then excuse me, maybe mounting a light bar in the front on the crash bar. I don't know yet, but I think it would look kind of cool. Have my own crash bar with a light bar. So yeah, thank y'all for watching.